Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Bellevue School District News and Events Digest, your monthly podcast designed to keep families and our community informed on all the latest happenings around the district and in our schools. Whether you're catching this episode from the carpool lane, your kitchen table, or on a walk through the neighborhood, we're glad you're here. Each episode is a quick review of the BSD News and Events newsletter, your go-to guide for important updates, upcoming events, and stories that connect us as a community. So, let's dive in and see what's happening this month in the Bellevue School District. Today, we're kicking off this episode with an announcement filled with pride. The Bellevue School District School Board of Directors have been named a 2025 Board of Distinction by the Washington State School Directors Association. This honor recognizes school boards that model exceptional leadership, elevate student voice, and center equity in decision-making through frameworks like BSD's Equity-Driven Decision-Making, EDDM. Superintendent Dr. Kelly Aramaki notes that this award reflects a board that listens, shares leadership, and stays focused on what matters most, students. It's a powerful affirmation of the district's collaborative work with families, educators, and community partners. Now, in other news, let's check in on the district's financial outlook. BSD's Chief Operating Officer, Heather Sanchez, and Interim Chief Financial Officer, Lauren Tillman, report strong positive momentum for the district. Enrollment is up by roughly 200 students, including a returning kindergarten class of about 1,200, with growth in elementary and non-resident enrollment. At the same time, financial recovery is accelerating, shifting from an anticipated shortfall of nearly $4.9 million to an estimated deficit of around $700,000. This progress keeps BSD ahead of schedule in restoring financial stability and has allowed the district to avoid closing a middle school, preserving all campuses and the programs they offer. BSD is also co-hosting a major school funding town hall, bringing together 10 school districts, PTSA leaders, educator groups, and superintendents to discuss long-term school funding needs. Legislators and OSPI Superintendent Chris Reichdahl are invited to join the conversation, and students will help lead portions of the discussion. Mark your calendars for Wednesday, January 7th, 2026, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. at Newport High School, 4333 Victoria Boulevard, Southeast. BSD remains committed to transparency and to advocating for sustainable, equitable school funding for all students. Up next, levy news you can use. At its October 16th, 2025 meeting, the Bellevue School Board approved 2 resolutions to place levy renewals on the ballot next year. The district has been preparing this recommendation for several months as part of its regular planning process. The renewal of the expiring 4-year Educational Programs and Operations Levy, EP&O, and the Technology and Capital Projects Levy will be on the ballot for the February 10th, 2026 election. These levies are collected over 4 years and are not a new tax, as they will renew current levies approved by voters in 2022. These levies bridge the gap between what the state provides and funds needed for our district's education and operating costs. Bellevue voters will consider 2 replacement levies on February 10, 2026, essential measures that renew existing support rather than add new taxes. Proposition 1, the Educational Programs and Operations Levy, funds classroom staffing, mental health services, special education, and transportation. Proposition 2, the Technology and Capital Projects Levy, supports student devices, technology access, safety upgrades, and school maintenance. Together, these levies fund 24% of BSD's general budget and ensure students have access to safe, supported, and well-resourced learning environments. Additional information can be found on the district and each school website. Listen in and make sure you hear about our school board vacancy and invitation for community leaders. BSD is inviting nominations and applications to fill a school board director vacancy in District 4. Following a recent resignation, the district is seeking a community member who is a registered voter residing in Director District 4. This is an opportunity for a community leader to contribute to district governance, support student-focused policy, and help guide the vision of Bellevue Schools. The new director will be appointed early in 2026. Next, here are some important open houses and enrollment information. Families exploring BSD's learning pathways, including preschool, kindergarten, middle school, high school, choice programs, and language offerings, can take part in upcoming open houses and information nights. Visit bsd405.org to learn more and save the date. Other key dates include the Open Transfer, Choice School, and Language Program application period happening from December 15th, 2025 through January 16th, 2026. Also, new student enrollment for preschool and K-12 starts on February 2nd, 2026. And remember, Bellevue Digital Discovery, BSD's online school, accepts applications year-round. These events help families make the best decisions for their students and gain a deeper understanding of BSD's diverse academic offerings. As we wrap up today's episode, here are some important reminders. First, November 27th and 28th, there is no school, and all district offices are closed due to the Thanksgiving holiday. School will resume on Monday, December 1st. Finally, families are needed for the 2026 Disciplinary Appeals Council. BSD is seeking 2 parent or guardian representatives to serve on the Disciplinary Appeals Council, DAC, a committee that reviews final appeals related to student discipline, discrimination, harassment, and other critical matters. DAC members help ensure fairness, uphold student rights, and support transparent decision-making. A school board-appointed selection committee will review applicants, with appointments made in January 2026. That's it for your November District Digest. As always, thank you for being an engaged and supportive part of our school community. Whether you're a parent, student, staff member, or neighbor, we're all in this together, as the school year is well underway thanks to you. Don't forget to download the District mobile app on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Also, check out your student's school calendar for the latest information on events. Until next time, take care, stay connected, and have a fantastic December, BSD. All information in this podcast was developed by Bellevue School District staff. Artificial intelligence technology was used to generate and assist in the production of this episode.